Good morning or good afternoon, everyone. My name is Abel Crystal T. Bilyeda, and today I'll be showing you how to do MDAS and what are the rules in doing it. So first, you might be wondering, what does MDAS stand for? M is for multiplication, D is for division, A is for addition, and S is for subtraction. First thing when you're doing MDAS, you have to remember that multiplication and division comes first, and addition and subtraction comes last. I'll give you an example of an equation. So here we have 2 plus 6 times 3. So remember here in the word MDAS, multiplication and division comes first. So as you can see here is the multiplication and here is the addition. So you can see in the equation, addition came first. But here in the rules in MDAS, multiplication and division comes first. And we also have to note that it is from left to right. Left to right. So example, it is multiplication and division. You can see in the equation that there is multiplication and division, and then division comes first. So since it's left to right and then division came first, you have to do division first, then multiplication. And as well as in the addition and subtraction, if addition comes first in the equation, addition comes first. And if subtraction comes first, subtraction comes first. But no matter what the equation is, if there's multiplication and division and there's also addition and subtraction, multiplication and division comes first. So here, as you can see, there is multiplication and addition. So what will be answer first? Of course, the multiplication. So what is 6 times 3? 6 times 3 is 18. And then that is how, to make it easier, you can answer it this way so you won't get confused. So first you will answer this, the multiplication and division. Or if there is no multiplication and division, you can go with addition and subtraction. And again, it's from left to right. And then we have to bring down the 2 plus 2 plus. So okay, so 6 times 3 is 18, and we have to bring down 2 plus. So now all that is left is 2 plus 18. So technically, if there isn't any other equations and there's only 2 and there's only 1 left, you're just gonna have to go with that since it's the only one left to answer. So 2 plus 18 is 20. So that is your answer. So at first, it looks a bit complicated, but as you go through, you can understand more. So I'll give you another equation. 10 times 5 minus 6 divided by 2. So as you can see here, there is multiplication, division, and subtraction. So again, multiplication and division comes first. As you can see here, the one that came first from multiplication and division was multiplication. So that is what we're going to answer first. 10 times 5 is 50 minus 6 divided by 2. So next, we only have subtraction and division. Now what are we gonna answer? Correct, division. So what is 6 divided by 2? It is 3. Then we bring down 50 minus. So now, What is 50 minus 3? 47. So now, since 50 minus 3 was the last equation, that is your final answer. Okay, you're getting the hang of it. Now, next, I'll give you another equation. 2 times 5 plus 10 divided by 1 minus 2. Okay, so here again, what is coming first? Correct, multiplication. Okay, so as you can see, here it is 2 times 5. Now, what is 2 times 5? 10. Correct. So now we bring down the rest. Okay. Now, what are we gonna do? Because there's only addition, division, and subtraction. So again, multiplication and division comes first, and then last are addition and subtraction. So since there's no more multiplication, we're gonna have to go with division. So what is 10 divided by 1? It is 10. So you bring down the rest. Okay, so as you can see, we only have addition and subtraction left. And again, left to right, so as you can see, addition came first. So 10 plus 10 is 20 minus 2. Now, what is 20 times 2? 18. Now, that is your final answer. Now, I will give a bonus question, and I'll try to make it much more difficult. Wait, okay. Okay. So now, what comes first? So we have subtraction, multiplication, and division. Multiplication, division comes first. So left to right also. So what comes first? It's gonna be multiplication. 6 times 2 is 12. Okay, so now as you can see here, we only have subtraction and division. So again, multiplication, division comes first, and addition and subtraction comes last. So now since we don't have multiplication, we are going to do division. So now, what is 12 divided by 2? Correct, 6. Minus 12, you have to bring that down. So now, it is the only equation that is left. So, what is 12 minus 6? 6. Correct. So that is your final answer. So that is the rules in MDAS, and we have to wrap up our main ideas, which is, remember, multiplication and division comes first, and addition and subtraction comes last. And it's also left to right, so it depends if which will come first. In multiplication and division, it could also be division comes first, then multiplication, as well as in addition and subtraction. That's it, and thank you. Once again, I'm Abel Cristol Tiboledo, and thank you po.